Approximately 1.2 million people across the U.S. have HIV, and 13% of people don't even know they have it.
Over the last 5 to 7 years, I've averaged, unfortunately, about one new HIV case per month in Lane County, so 12 a year roughly.
But in 2022, there were 22 cases, more than average. Dr. Lutke says this is a little concerning.
Coming out of the pandemic, a fair number of people had no access to care, and they're just getting reconnected. And we continue to have shortages of healthcare providers.
In Eugene, you can go to HIV Alliance and the Lane County Sexually Transmitted Infection Clinic. But Dr. Lutke says not everyone knows about this. The CDC recommends those between 13 and 64 years old get tested at least once. And for those at risk, they suggest getting an annual test. There's still no cure, but those with the infection can have the same life expectancy as others. There are treatments that can help prevent the infection and stop the spread of the disease. Ricky was diagnosed with HIV when he was 17 and unhoused and has received that treatment. But he is choosing to remain anonymous due to the stigma that still remains around the infection.
I was diagnosed in 1996 when I was 17, and as you can tell, like by the me wanting to be anonymous to like even like during all these years, like there's still stigma attached to it. Like I don't know like if it's like, like if how people are going to react around me.
He says this is due to the lack of education.
A lot of my friends were like also on the streets at the time. I was a teenager and like, on the streets, and it was very sad seeing my friends that were like in their early 20s, like dying.
For many years, HIV was a death sentence. That's not the case anymore. On the other side of that coin, because every coin has two sides, HIV is still out there.
In Eugene, I'm Juliet Smith reporting.
Now, as Ricky says, he says education is extremely important so that we do get rid of that stigma. At 5:30, there's going to be a memorial walk, and at 6 p.m., there is going to be a concert. Live in downtown Eugene, I'm Juliet Smith reporting. I'll send it back to you in studio.